What's going on, everybody? This is 13 with Superior Mobile by 13, and today I have this gorgeous 2021 Frontier. It is Clayton's truck. You may remember it from a previous video where I installed some client-provided headlights that he had built for him. Those headlights are now in a box. Bye-bye bad headlights. And hello ByThirteen lights. So, we have a fully blacked out interior with smoked reflectors, which I absolutely love doing. So they are mostly black, however they do still reflect with bright light as an amber. All gloss black interior except for the full-size turbine shroud, which is of course wrapping a Morimoto MD2S projector. Running a 50-watt Morimoto HID setup, we also have a Sequential 6-inch strip on top and a beautiful backlit halo, which is behind the acrylic somewhere. Of course, we still have an LED bulb there, and we've got some fog light bulbs in there. So let's turn some cool things on, shall we? Anytime the ignition is on, the backlit halos will be on, and you will have this amazing driving light. This is what it looks like with the headlights on. Now we have that sequential strip on top in the white running light mode. That illuminates. As you can see, it still shows up a little bit amber for your full compliance. And then you have a white LED bulb in there. Headlights are on. Output pattern looks a little bit like that. That's a good thing. As always, I'm a huge sucker for turn signals, and this is my favorite turn signal for this setup. Just revel in the beauty of LED switchbacks and sequentials in just such a beautiful, tidy little package there. I am so pleased. I got to do the build and do the install, which makes me super happy, and I love the way that it came out. Product and pricing information for this build will be in the video description, so if you're interested in something like this for yourself, be sure to reference that. Build requests must be submitted via the form on the website. I believe that's all I gotta say, so thank you so much for watching. This is 13 with Superior Mobile by 13. Have yourselves a wonderful day. I'll talk to you later. See you.